Hello everyone, it's me again. So, guess what I did? I forgot about two of my bags. I forgot about two of my bags. So, it was two bags hiding underneath me for my stuff that I told you guys I was trying to put everything in one video. Well, I forgot the other bag. So, we're going to go ahead and show you what I got in those bags. I was waiting for the other things to come in and I set those to the side and completely forgot they was sitting there below me. So with that being said, let me get to it. Sweetheart Cherry, I had got a body wash in that. I didn't have that. I had another one of the Star Fruit Sangrias. And Dream Bright came back in sale. So I was happy to get that. So I ended up getting two of those. The Dream Brights along with the lotion in Sapphire Berries, Night Blooming Orchid, and Crystallized Vanilla. Very, very nice. I was excited to get that, especially because I thought it was sold out and I didn't realize how much I liked it until after the fact. Aqua Hour went on sale. This one is a good one as well. This one has the watery bergamot, fresh peony, and salty cedarwood. And then Sea and Rouge, I got another one of those, which has the black currant buds, sweet saffron, amber moss. And you guys, I was able to, remember I showed you guys in my other video how this one did not come in correctly. It had the little nozzle thing on the outside and was leaking all over everything in my bag, and I thought I wasn't gonna get a backup of it. Well, it came back and stopped temporarily on the site, so I was able to get it. So Juicy Plum, Wild Blooms, Velvet Musk. I'm excited to have this now. I was able to score back up while the sale was still going on, so I was happy to see that. Warm Vanilla Sugar, I had got a couple of more of those in the order. Intoxicating Vanilla, White Orchid, Sparkling Sugar, Fresh Jasmine, Creamy Sandalwood. So got that. I got another one of my Moanas, because that was the Disney one. That was my second favorite. And then I got the Bahamas Passion Fruit Banana Flower, the wash in that. So you guys know I love that scent. Then I picked up a couple of more of these Waikiki Beach Coconut Body Butters. They went down on sale pretty good, so I got a couple of more of these. This is on my tray this month. Absolutely love this. This is beautiful. So I am so happy to have this in my collection now. So got that. And Graphite and Ocean. I got two more of these body mist sprays. My husband don't want them. I know some friends who love those, so I can pass that along to them. And then Sweet Kiwi and Starfruit Room Spray. When they had the room sprays on sale, I decided to get this one. Does it have the notes on this? Nope. And then I got the same scent in the antibacterial hand spray as well. So got that as well. And then the last two things that I got here is two of the raspberry and vanilla single wick candles when they had those extremely marked down. So those are the items that I picked up that were 75% off that I was able to get in one of my online orders. Stay tuned to my next video where I will share with you guys my bigger orders that I did for my BOPIS and also did for my BOPIS, my online 75% off orders. And then they had a 2-day sale for stuff that was in the store and online. That was, well, you couldn't get it in store. That was the like the thing about it. You couldn't get it in store. It was online only, $5.95 deal, but you could do a buy online pickup in store. If your store had the goods, you could still get it for the $5.95 price, which I did. So I will share those items in the next video coming soon. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.